Bandeko Alléluia.
Bible la Bible.
The Bible love.
Il faut te Nzambe.
You have to trust Jesus.
Oh, ngebe.
Oh, God.
Mon bel tabu, hein?
Pastor, the quarter, the beam there.
Ah, bolo nga banyanga la kata.
I get on the head and yam the cutter. La soleil you. Yango na comprendre.
Excuse me, I don't live here. I'm such after someone that live here. Can you help me?
Mademoiselle, des côtés, des bimder. On se lobby. Tu comprends la biche l'autre.
L'autre.
Biche en tu la biche sauter.
Zéro.
Et là, comment on a dit en anglais? Yaka fuck you.
Fuck me. Motherfucker.
Oh. Excuse me, do you know where the...
Mama, the quarter, the beam there.
The bimder! The bimder!
Excuse me, guys. Can you help me? I don't live here. Can you tell me where the train station is?
Au revoir. Au revoir, famille.
Au revoir.
Bien, Landanga. You get, you coach, you beam, there.
Really?
Willie afanda kuna.
Okay.
Wesh Plum, tu es où toi? Oui, je suis là. C'est trop chaud, hein. Moi, il peut ma casse, na zika. Na zika, péan. Na bossé chapeau, nanda, gros. Tu viens d'accord, toi? Ok, je te rappelle. Excuse me, guys. French?
The beam.
Lingala?
The beam.
English?
I want the beam. Yes, I can.
Where do you live?
Olivia van de kuna. Yaka. You cut. You beam. You cut. You beam. There.
Thank you.